There is something called spiritual soft-heartedness and material soft-heartedness. You see, in the battlefield of Mahabharata, Arjuna killed so many people. So externally, superficially looks very offensive. Externally it looks he's very angry. He's killing so many people. But internally he's very soft-hearted. Because he is holding Krishna in his heart. Because his mind is controlled, his senses are controlled. Overall his behavior is very soft-hearted. In fact, this is what strikes people when they meet his devotees. So soft, gentle. Right? Hare Krishna, how are you? Smiling, he's gentle.